Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Thought of the day. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Means while right now you are studying, it might be bitter for you, it might be difficult for you, right? But the fruits that you will get in future, that will be sweet. Means if you are educated, your future will be bright. Okay. Today we are going to learn social. In that civics, we are going to learn civics, chapter number 1 from civics, that is understanding diversity. Okay. Now, means there might be question in your mind that what is the word diversity? What is diversity? Now, you might be having many friends. Okay. In school also you might be having many teachers. In surrounding, you might be having many people around you. Right? So, can you imagine that you and your friend is similar, exact copy? No. There might be some difference. All the teachers are same. All the teachers are teaching you same subject or looking same or giving same knowledge. No. Everyone is different. Like different in the sense, the way of living, the way of speaking, culture, their religion, okay, the way of style they live is completely different from the way you are living. Okay, so that change is what? Diversity. That change is what? Diversity. So we are going to learn about diversity. Now you might, means India is a diverse nation. Okay, so unity in diversity, that all things we are going to learn in this chapter. We are going to learn about inequality. To give you one homework, you have to draw one picture, any of the image of any of your figure, any of the sketch. Okay, so why I am telling you to draw, that I will tell you. Now, for example, if I have given you this homework to draw an image or a figure by yourself, it can be any. Now, can your drawing is similar with your friend, exact copy? Can you draw like that? That same what you have done, that same your friend has done. If it is same also, there might be some changes in the figure, right? So this shows what? This shows uniqueness. Uniqueness means everyone is unique in their own way, right? In their own way of drawing. If I will get the drawing, I know different figures, right? So I cannot judge anyone because everyone has the unique identity, everyone has the unique style to draw it in their own way. Okay, so that is also, diversity teaches us uniqueness. Means everyone is unique, everyone is different. This example of drawing is there in your textbook. You can go through it. Okay. Now, as I told you, each and every individual is unique in his or her own way. If we meet each other, we share different thoughts, we share different ideas, we get different knowledge from variety of people. We learn different language, right? So in this way, diversity is very necessary. What if your teacher, each and every teacher teach you the same subject? What if each and every teacher is same? You will get bored, right? So that is why diversity is must. We need to celebrate diversity. What we need to do? We need to celebrate diversity. It is very important to celebrate the diversity, right? Because we are sharing different thoughts, ideas, knowledge, thinking. So in that way we are learning, we are upgrading ourselves, right? So that is why diversity is very important. I told you India is a diverse nation, okay? Now, why India is a diverse nation? Why there is diversity in India? Now, I will tell you that we follow different culture. Yes or no? We follow different religion. We follow different language. We have different food habit. We have different clothing. The way of life is different. We celebrate different festivals. We celebrate different festivals. Yes or no? We celebrate or no? No, not. We follow different culture. We follow different religion, languages. There are many languages that we use. We have different food habit. We have different clothing, right? We celebrate different festivals. So in this way, we all are different from each other, and that makes India a diverse nation. Okay, we all are one. We celebrate different festivals. We celebrate different you know that we celebrate different festivals, and even we respect other culture, we respect other language, and we respect other religion and food clothing too, right? So that is why India is diverse, but despite of diversity there is unity in India. Okay, now there is one beautiful story given in your textbook, right, related to diversity. Means this story gives an example of diversity. The story means the characters are Sameer ek, Sameer do. Okay, Sameer ek, Sameer do. So now I'll just in short I will tell you what the story tells us and how it is related to diversity, how we can relate this story to diversity. Okay, so let's start the story of Sameer Ek and Sameer Do. Now, why the name they have kept Sameer Ek and Sameer Do, that I will tell you. Now, first one, Sameer Ek goes to the school. Sameer Do does not go to school. Means Sameer Ek is going to school, Sameer Do does not go to school. Now, Sameer Do is a newspaper vendor. Okay, used to sell the newspaper at the signal. So one day he met Sameer Ek on the signal. Sameer Ek was going to the school. Now Sameer Do told Sameer Ek that please take the newspaper from me. So Sameer Ek took Hindi newspaper. Okay, and then he asked, do you know Hindi? Sameer Do asked that, do you know Hindi? You look like an Englishman. Then the signal turned to green and Sameer Ek went. Right? Now in the same way, daily at the signal, they used to do the conversation. Some type of conversation with each other. Okay? Daily. That was the daily routine. Now in that way, they became friends. Now the point of difference between them. Listen. Sameer Ek goes to school. Sameer Do does not go to school. Sameer Ek was a rich guy. He was rich. Okay, while Sameer Do was poor. Sameer Ek was Hindu. Sameer Do was Muslim. Sameer Ek knows Hindi and English language both because he is going to school, right? while Samir though knows only Hindi language because of lacking of education, because he was poor, he is not getting that education, right? So this is the difference between Samir 1 and Samir 2. Now daily they used to do the conversation, right? So one day they shared their name, that my name is Samir. Even the newspaper vendor, he told that my name is also Samir. So they decided to keep their name like this, Samir 1, Samir 2. Means Hindu name can be also Samir, while Muslim name can be also Samir. Now despite of all this difference, he shared that I am a Muslim. Okay, my mother is in other place, right? And at that place there is a danga you know na. So he was very much afraid, Samir 1. So he was just sharing to Samir 2. But despite of that, after at the end, when one day Samir 1 was going to school and he found that master, that Samir 2, means the newspaper vendor, near the means near the signal, he can't see him because he was not there. But despite of all this difference, can you think that still they are friends? Yes, still they are friends. Now what we come to know that we are not supposed to see the rich and poor, means caste. We are not supposed to see the class of the people. We are not supposed to see the religion of the people. We could not judge the people like poor and rich, right? We could not judge people with their religion. So this story teaches us that despite of all the difference they are having, still they are good friends. Now I want to ask you that, is there any friend in your life that is having a lot of difference between you two, but then still you both are friends? Yes, I have such friend despite of all the differences of language, differences of culture, differences of way of living. Many differences are there, but still we are friends from last 10 years. So I want to ask you, is there any of your friend that means you are having a lot of difference, but then also you are friend, right? So this teaches us what? That this teaches us that despite any culture, religion, class, whatever, we are diverse and everyone is unique. We learn that there is unity. Here we need to focus more and more in unity. Why? I will tell you. I told you that there is a lot of difference between Samir 1 and Samir 2. Now, this reason sometimes become the reason of inequality. Inequality, what is inequality? That I will teach you. So sometimes this differences creates inequality in the mind of people. It is only in the mind of people. Actually, inequality and nothing is nothing like that, right? Why? Because we all are one. We all are human, right? So we need to give respect to each and every one, right? So this reason of inequality is not diversity, is the mind of the people.